Hello, so you're welcome. Have you ever find such a nice maths problem? So worry not, let's solve it within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So our solution is 4 to the power of a, add to 4 to the power of a, add also to the 4 to the power of a is equals to 40. So when you simplify all of this, it shall now be written as 4 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 40. So this one now shall be written as 4 to the power of a, then into bracket 1 plus 1, that is 3, is equals to 40. So what is the next step that you shall do? So the next step is to divide both sides by 3, then also this side by 3. So 3 by 3 shall cancel. So now we shall now have our 4 to the power of a is equals to 40 all over 3. So what is the quickest way of solving this maths problem? So let's now introduce the log from both sides. So we now shall have the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log into bracket 40 all over 3. So this one can also be written as the log of 4 to the power of a. We shall now have a, the log of 4 is equals to, this one we shall also write it as the log of 40 minus 3, or the log of 40 minus still the log of 3. So let's put the log of 3. So by writing it clearly, we shall now have a, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 40 minus the log of 3. So from here now we shall divide both sides by the log of 4. So here the log of 4, then also this side we shall also divide by the log of 4. So our next now shall say that, so from here now we shall cancel. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now our value for a shall be the log of 40 minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4. So let's now split each and every one. Divide by 4. So now our value for a is equals to, so the log of 40 all over the log of 4. So we shall have the log of 4 here, and then from there minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4 on that particular area. So we can still simplify the log of 40 all over the log of 4 by now saying that our value for a is equals to, this one can also be written as the log of 10 multiplied by 4, then into bracket all over the log of 4, then all over the log of 4 minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4. So here now our a is equals to, so this one can also be written as the log of 10, then plus the log of 4, then all over the log of 4 there, then minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4. So our next step is to say that our value for a is equals to, so the log of 10, then all over the log of 4 here, then plus the log of 4 all over the log of 4, then minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4. So next we shall say that, so next the value for a now shall be equals to, so we shall still have the log of 10 all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel each other. Now we shall have 1 minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4. So still now we shall say that here our value for a is equals to, so log 10 we can still have the log of 2 multiplied by 5, then all over the log of 4, then plus 1 minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4. So here now when you work it out very quick, our value for a is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 2 plus the log of 5, then when you divide both sides all over, so the log of 4 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over this one also the log of 2 to the power of 2, then minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4. So next, our value for a is equals to, so this one now shall return us the log 2 all over, so 2 log 2, then plus, so here now we shall have, oh sorry, this one was supposed to be plus 1 here, so plus, here now we shall have the log of 5 all over 2 log 2, then plus this one, then minus log 3 all over the log of 4. So from here now we shall conclude by saying that our value for a is equals to, so log 2 and log 2 shall cancel, so here now we shall have 1 over 2, then 1 over 2 plus, so this side now we shall have 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 the log of 5 all over the log of 2 all over the log of 2 plus 1, then minus the log of 3 all over the log of 4, the log of 4. So finally, our value for a, as we conclude, so our value for a now shall be is equals to 1 over 2 there, then plus this one now shall have 1 over 2 the log of 5 to the base of 2, then plus 1, then minus, so here now we shall have the log of 3 to the base of 4. So this one now shall qualify to be our final and the most correct answer. So if you know how we worked it out properly, and if you found this video so interesting, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.